Good morning, student. Today we are start subject AMP. Topic is non-conventional machining. Non-conventional machining. First is electrochemical machining. In electrochemical machining, ECM means electrochemical machining. In electrochemical machining, works on the principle of ionic dissolution of electrode. And in this machine, metal is removed up to 0.5 mm, 0.05 to 12 mm. Means this machine can be used for small micro holes can be produced in this machine by ionic dissolution. Electrochemical machining is works on the principle of electrolysis. This machine works on the principle of electrolysis of Faraday's first law. This machine works on the principle of Faraday's law of electrolysis. Now, what is the Faraday's law of electrolysis? Faraday's law of electrolysis, it is stated that the statement is that it is stated that the statement of this machine is electrolysis electrolyte can be produced electrolyte can be produced during electrolysis. Electrolyte can be produced during electrolysis is directly proportional to the length of time of electrolyte process length of time of electrolyte process and electrodes of material. This is the statement of electrolysis. Means this machine can be work on the principle of electrolysis. Now, this material removal is by ionic dissolution of material. This diagram. From this diagram, first of all, number one, this is workpiece. Workpiece is placed in between the tank. Work is placed between the tank. This is number one, and connected to the circuit. This plus means this is anode. Here is DC power is supplied. Number one. Here is circuit is closed. Means here is anode plus, and another point is connected to the cathode. Second point is connected to the cathode, and this point attached to the tool. This is hollow tubular tools. It can be made by aluminum, brass, chromium. These are the material of this tool. This is third number. This is tool, hollow tubular tools. This is servo mechanism. Number 4. This is servo motor or control tool field. टूल फीड कर कंट्रोल करने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज दिस सर्वो मोटर कनेक्टेड टू द and means tool is constant speed by given to this servo motor. Now number 5, this is a DC power supply. Here is in between workpiece and this tool is connected this DC power supply here, that is closed circuit is completed. Then here is tank. Number 2 is tank. And here is number 6, electrolytes. These are the electrolytes tank. Here is electrolyte. Electrolyte is pumped through this tank. Electrolyte is pumped through this tank. Here is motor attached to the pump. Number 8, this is motor attached to the pump. Electrolytes pump to this line number here is filter. Here is attached to filter. Filter is to filter the electrolyte and passes through these flow lines. This electrolyte passes through the in between tool and workpiece. Electrolyte is passes through the gap between the tool and workpiece. Material is removed by the ionic dissolution method. Now this electrolysis can be moved this tank and this electrolyte passes through this flow of electrolytes again in this tank. This is the complete circuit of electrochemical machining. Now material is removed by ionic dissolution. Here is to maintain the gap between tool and workpiece. The gap between tool and workpiece is 0.075 to 12 mm. The gap is maintained. Does not contact between this tool and workpiece. Tool and workpiece का contact नहीं होता है. Here is maintained small gap between this tool and workpiece. And metal is removed by ionic dissolution of electrolyte. Now here is in this machine, electrochemical machining can be produced small intricate hole 0.05 to up to 12 mm to 15 mm can be drilled by small hole. Again this machine can be used for die sinking and drilling small hole. This is the principle of this machining. Now working, how it is work. In DC power supply, working of this machine is working of this machine is DC power is supplied from this closed circuit. DC power near about 5 to 20 volt current. DC power is supplied 5 to 20 volt current and 20 to 30 mm 20 to 30 ampere per centimeter square. This current passes through this closed circuit. Here is current is passes and this is tool. Tool is hollow tubular tools. From this electrolyte passes through this process. Here electrolyte passes in between workpiece and tool. Now workpiece is a anode and tool is a cathode, and this can be continuously flow of electrolytes at the time of removal of material, and it can be the tool is carrying this servo mechanism. Servo motor tool can be controlled and to give the field at the time of working process. Now this is very important machining. The material of tool is not important to get harder than workpiece. वर्कपीस से ज़्यादा टूल का मटेरियल हार्डर होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Means this material can be removed by anodic dissolution of electrolyte in this process. Now these electrolytes can be flow return to this tank, and again this process is continue. In this process, material can be removed at a very fast rate. Near about material remove rate MMR. MMR indicate material remove rate. Material remove rate. Material remove rate is 15,000 mm³ per minute. Means material removal rate is 15,000 mm³ per minute can be material removed by this process, very fast process, and it can be produced highly surface finish, about surface finish about 50 micrometer, and surface finish 50 micrometer accuracy. 50 micrometer is an accuracy, and surface finish is 0.05 to 1.2 micrometer. Means it can produce highly surface finish. It can be drilled small intricate hole, and it is used in mostly in manufacturing the parts of aircrafts, turbines, ships. This is most useful method. Using small and intricate hole can be manufactured by this machine in electrochemical machining process. This process can be worked on the principle of ionic dissolution of electrolytes. This is important principle of that machine. Now, advantages of this machine. Advantages of this machine. Advantages of this machine is small micro hole, a small intricate hole can be produced. This first is second. First is small intricate hole can be produced by this machine. Second is no contact between workpiece and tool. Means tool और वर्कपीस का कांटेक्ट नहीं होता in this machining process. Without contact of this machining, this is second advantage. Third is metal means high accuracy material, high accuracy and high precise. This is the advantages of this machine. Means at the point of examination is asked in question in examination, draw the electrochemical machining with neat sketch, write the working principle and construction of electrochemical machining. And also ask in examination advantages, disadvantages and limitation also. This is the closed circuit of this electrochemical machining. Okay.